Hi, my name is Zach. I'm an HVAC tech with Ryan Services. So I actually went to BOCES for schooling. As part of that, I did a 2-week internship with Ryan Services. At the end of the 2 weeks, they hired me as a helper and future mechanic. Was doing that for a few months along with experienced mechanics, going riding with them, fixing and learning from them. A few months later, I got my own truck and I've been diagnosing, repairing issues with customers' furnaces, ACs. We also do maintenance. We do residential and commercial maintenance. I like seeing a finished product. I did that. I usually do about 3 or 4 calls a day. Once I get done, call the office. They'll dispatch me to the next location. Sometimes I'll get dispatched the night before and then just leave right from my house. It's a good place to work. They really care about their employees. It makes you think. Like I said, I like a good challenge. And it's not repetitive. You're doing different things every day, but you gotta want it, you gotta wanna work. Some days are easy, some days are hard, but you gotta have the right attitude. You gotta wanna be here.